Welcome to Mingma.io. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Josh Beignet. I'm the president of Mingma and actually the founder over here. And I'm really excited to see you start your journey with us and start your journey of understanding how to manage your business better, really through financial intelligence. And I'm going to help walk you through how Mingma can help you and has helped hundreds of other businesses at this point get clarity around their financials and also be able to make better business decisions that have ultimately increased their profits and the asset that they have as their business. So congratulations. It's really cool to see you here, and I'm really excited to walk alongside you and our entire team here at Mingma walk alongside you as you progress through your business journey. So welcome to Mingma, and let's get started.